This video is going to walk you through how to add fractions to a whole number. We're going to look at a couple of examples. The first two, we're going to add a whole number to a proper fraction. The last two, we're going to add whole numbers to an improper fraction. The steps for adding a fraction to a whole number are simple if the fraction you're adding is a proper fraction. Look at example 1. Add 3 plus 3/4. Now, I could walk you through all sorts of mumbo jumbo on making 3 into a fraction, convert it to an equivalent, the denominator of 4, and then simplifying. But it doesn't have to be that hard. When you have 3 and you add 3/4 of another one to it, you have 3 3/4. Example 2. Add 4 plus 2/3. In this example again, we have a whole number and a proper fraction. The answer is as simple as 4 2/3. Example 3. Add 4 plus 4/3. So this question is asking you to add a whole number plus an improper fraction. We could do the same as we have in the two examples and say the answer is 4 4/3, but that doesn't make sense, right? We need to convert 4/3 into a mixed number. We know that 4/3 is equal to 3/3, which is 1 whole, and still has a remainder of 1/3. We can add the whole number of 1 from our mixed fraction to our already existing whole number of 4 and get a total of 5. Then we add the proper fraction portion and have 5 1/3. Last example, add 5 to 8/3. Again, we have a whole number being added to an improper fraction. The easiest way to solve for this is to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number, then add the whole number and the other proper fraction at the end. 8/3 can be converted into a mixed number of 2 2/3, right? We add 2 plus 5, which was our original whole number, and we get a total of 7. The proper fraction portion of 2/3 just falls at the end. The sum of 5 plus 8/3 is equal to 7 2/3. Hopefully you followed along. If you did, give me a thumbs up to get these videos in front of more viewers. Thanks again for watching.